Students review about the webinar on building cyber immunity, held by MD and Cybersecurity Solutions in collaboration with KS Institute of Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani. I'm from Electronics and Communication Department. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to listen to a seminar that is necessary that speaks on a topic that is necessary for everyone to know. There was recently an issue regarding the Pakistan hackers in Bangalore, and to actually know more about this issue really was very interesting and lively. This whole topic made it really interesting and lively for me. So thank you so much for taking your time out and sharing your knowledge with us. Since I have also taken a subject called Network and Cyber Security in my final semester, the entire seminar was really helpful. So thank you so much for organizing it. Thank you.
Hi, myself Naganetra. The webinar on cybersecurity and ethical hacking by Abhishek Mitra and his team was very informative. This helped us in getting knowledge about building the cyber immunity. In this situation, the whole world is going through digitalization. So cyber immunity plays a major role. By this webinar, we got to know about the password management, then the ransomware attack, and also the issues which were faced while registering for COVID vaccines. And for me personally, the Grey Hat attack, which was the revenge for the Pakistan hackers who had hacked the airport websites, were interesting for me. And also we learned about the ethical hacking. This helped us to know about all the security measures which we have to take while dealing with or accessing the websites and online transactions. So thank you for arranging this webinar.
Hello sir, firstly it is a great honor to have a webinar from your side, and I would like to congratulate ICSS for being the best and being awarded for the best cybersecurity company. And the webinar was indeed very informative, and online fraud being one of the biggest business in today's digital technology, and we gained a lot of knowledge about cybersecurity, especially about the password management. So we really gained a lot of knowledge how where should we be and how things are going around us. And I would really like to thank Surekha ma'am for giving us this opportunity to get to know something new out of the box, like not only studying or knowing what is going on in our subject, but knowing things outside the world which is practically going on. So I'm very thankful for this, and thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahana. I am studying in 8th semester KSIT College. I'm making this video to give the feedback on the webinar which was held on 11th June on the topic called cyber security and ethical hacking, which was organized by Surekha Bora ma'am. The speaker was Abhishek Mishra sir. The speaker was extraordinarily well, because he was explaining things in such a way that we were visualizing the things. I liked all the topics which he explained, and he is the CEO and founder of cyber security company in Kolkata. The webinar was so informative, and I loved it because the speaker was explaining all the practical things which was going on, and the best part that I liked is which liked is the Pakistan thing. Means Pakistan had hacked our websites. That was really awesome because Abhishek Mishra sir and his team did reverse engineering and defeated their hacking. So the defeated their hacking. All the things which were explained in the webinar was on point. I really liked it. I really want to thank Surekha Boraman for organizing such kind of webinars, and I would like to see Abhishek Mishra sir again doing the same webinar in the future days. I'm waiting for another webinar to occur.
Good morning, ma'am. The webinar based on cyber security and ethical hacking organized by you is one of the most amazing, influential, informative, and yes, it was enthusiastic webinar I have seen till now. The way Mr. Abhishek Mitra introduced to us this topic was more likely for anyone who's ambitious for this field, who's maybe like a boon to enhance his future skills. He gave awareness about how we can protect our privacy from this day-to-day cyber crimes that takes place. He assured that his team and himself works too hard to protect the privacy of our useful information, which shows his real dedication to this. I also liked the step-by-step information he provided in a detailed manner, which really gave the complete idea of how the workflow goes in the Indian Cyber Security Services, ICSS. He also provided an information on how we can enroll into this and serve. He mentioned how CoWIN website had 150 million user database up for sale and also provided information on how we can be safe from it. He also spoke about the skimming devices in the ATMs when cards are swiped and how these attacks are really going on, in which he also showed an example of American Black Hat hackers, how this association led many hackers to take over. And also he mentioned these sort of attacks are commonly found in the ATMs and which are called jackpotting. And mostly the attacks that takes place are man-in-the-middle attack and so on. And also he mentioned about Pakistan hacker attacks at the Indian airport websites, which was a really good attempt to threat and avenge them for their approach to hack the official site of the first-class National Security Guard by their partner in Pakistan, who posted hostile, foul-loaded message content against PM. Through this webinar, I was able to relate to my course curriculum, basically, that I am going through. It gave a really better practicality experience and developed greater interest to work in this field. Thank you very much, sir, and your team for providing such an useful information and the insights of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. And also, thanks again, Surekha ma'am, for helping us relate this informational concept with the course that we are going through in this semester. Thank you, ma'am.